ways crypto companies can be more transparent to the customers, because I know you want that as well. 15 ways to do this. We're going to break this down. Welcome to the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain. Now, the first one here is use public ledgers and proof of reserve. You definitely want to be able to do that with crypto-based companies, as well as Web2 traditional businesses are looking for ways to move their model to the blockchain. The next one is encourage the use of non-custodial wallets. That's number 2. The transparency for the customers is definitely have this in great detail. Next one is avoid technical language and messaging. Avoid this. Sometimes it can be very confusing. Crypto is still an early process. The more education, the better. The next one is shine a light on many secrets, on any secret. Shine a light on everything. Leave no stone unturned. The next one is expose select data on the chain. Use the blockchain technology directly to prove operational data. Absolutely. The next one is provide regular updates on projects. Now, this is big. Regular, consistent updates, just like this channel here, that you get updates on cryptocurrency and other things on a daily basis. You need to subscribe to the channel right now. The next one is put rule sets in the data availability layer. Now, this is also, it could be a really good thing down the road and even right now. And the next one is we have schedule independent audits. Schedule independent audits. I like that. And then you be transparent with the audit process and publish the results. We want to see exactly how the process is. Transparency, security at its finest. I like this as well. Be more upfront about development roadmaps and milestones. Be upfront and be honest. Just don't put something out there that we think is going to happen and it doesn't happen. And not only that, schedule it and be transparent with the milestone, real milestones and real roadmaps. And I think that will be a good one there. Educate on differences between decentralized and centralized transactions. This is different because people will need to know what the difference between centralized and decentralized transactions and how to process on those exchanges and all those ways as well. That's another thing. Publish audit financial reports. I like to see the audit process as well. Not only reports, the results and the way it was done. We need transparency. And commit the hash of published financial to the blockchain. That's another one there. Release regular detailed financial audits. Hold customer funds in a one-to-one custody. I like that one as well. Partial back stablecoins will tokenize real assets. That's another one there. And I think that's all we have. So it's 15 ways that we can be more transparent with customers with crypto companies. I do believe this is coming as we move into 2023. You're going to see more transparency, more security, people saying, all right, if you want us to invest into this, we need to see some results and some improvements. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today, especially of improvement and transparency. Clear Crypto YouTube channel got you covered on a daily basis. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The captain's here, Adam Shelton. I'll see you in the next video.